Hi, I'm Aunt Nikki, and I'm here to tell you about Mercari. Let's list some stuff and make some money. So this is the home page, and right on the home page, I have an orange button right here, and it says Sell on Mercari. And I'm going to click that. I'm going to find my photo of the item that I want to sell. And let's see. Here it is. So I'm going to click on my item and drag it and drop it. And I'll add this one too. Okay. As you can see, the second image, it looks like her head is cut off. When your post is live, and like if I was the buyer and I clicked on that image, the image will show the complete image. And this is where we want to put our title. Whoop. Got her E. You know, she's an action figure, and I'm going to add that in the title. And that helps when you get to the part where it wants to put it in a section. Oh my gosh, I'm typing and talking and it's not working. Okay. And the description. So, comes with stand and extras. And you can add hashtags, like you could do like hashtag Batman for this particular item. Up to 3 options. I don't think it really, I mean, it can draw attention to that item, but when, you know, if I'm on here looking for bath towels, I don't care how many hashtags you have for this item, it's not going to come up. So the category, she's an action figure. And the brand, we're going to go ahead right here with DC Comics. And it's like new. And here we go. Shipping from, I know it might be hard to see here. It's weird lettering. But put in my zip code. And shipping. Going to edit shipping. I choose this where it says free shipping for my buyer, and it actually, what happens is the money comes out of your sale from your item, which is kind of nice. So you would put in here the weight and the length and width, and then you hit calculate shipping. I've kind of figured out a little step or two here, makes it easier. I don't mind putting in the sizes if I know the weight, because I put everything in a poly bag anyway. And then I click what shipping option I choose and click save. And here we're going to set our price. So I know that $5 is coming out. I'm going to sell the item for $50, and I want to give it a sale. So I'm going to list it at $60. That way I can make it look like it's on sale and bring it down $5, and then I don't lose as much. And then I'm going to earn $49.01, and I see my selling fee will be $6, and of course the shipping cost, like I said, comes out of our sale. And then all you do is hit this orange button down here at the bottom that says list. And there's our beautiful ad. Let's see. Can we click on her and show her? And there we go. We can see the whole image. And since I've actually sold this item, I'm going to click on edit. And when you're in this stage of editing, let's say you found another picture that suits it better, you wanted to add something in the description, or something wasn't spelt right, or what have you, maybe you would, and then if you do correct it, whether it's the price, the spelling, make sure you update it. If you want to deactivate it for a while because, ooh, in 2 more months it might be really, you know, an item someone's going to be looking for, you can deactivate it, and then the listing is there and everything's all set. Or we're going to delete it altogether, and now the listing doesn't even... But this is my current items that are listed. It's a very simple, fun app, quick way of making money. I really enjoy the simplicity of it. Thank you for listening. I hope you like and subscribe. I am brand new. I'm going to do a lot more channels and a lot more reviews on a whole bunch of goodies. So, like and subscribe. Chat with me, Aunt Nikki.